Hello, and welcome to Exploring Geology as a Major. I'm Dr. Mallinson. I'm a professor in the Department of Geological Sciences at East Carolina University, and I'm director of the undergraduate program. Let me start up by clearing up a few misconceptions about what geology or geoscience is. For many people, when you say geology, they think you simply look at rocks and minerals all day. Well, those rocks and minerals are extremely important because they form the building blocks of our planet and they provide the resources for technology and civilization. But in reality, geoscience or geology is much, much broader than that. Just look at the definition I've provided on this slide. It covers the solid Earth and also other planets and moons, and also Earth history and processes, and all of the interactions of the solid Earth with the atmosphere, the oceans, rivers, ice sheets, life. So, because of the breadth of the science, there are all kinds of possible career paths available to you. This makes geoscience one of the top paying and most in demand majors out there. What is it that geoscientists provide to humanity? Why is a career in geoscience important now? Well, you can see the list here. We are facing critical issues related to resources, energy, environment, climate change, natural disasters, sea level rise, etc. And if you want to contribute to solutions to these issues, then a career in geosciences may be just what you're looking for. So here's a little bit more information about just what geoscientists do for us. As a geology major, you'll learn about all of these. Geoscientists tell us about where to find natural resources. They help us find water, oil, minerals, sand resources for beach nourishment, things like this, and for construction. How to predict geohazards, that is, things like earthquakes, landslides, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, floods, coastal erosion, all of these factors, they kill people every single year and they cost just billions, if not trillions of dollars over time. Where do we find suitable construction sites? Anytime there's a road built or a building built, a geologist comes in and evaluates the soils and the rocks. How do Earth processes influence biodiversity? This is very important today because biodiversity seems to be on the decline. How do we protect and preserve our natural environment? And how and why do climate and sea level change? All of these issues are addressed by geoscientists. As I mentioned before, geoscientists are in very high demand, and the career is very rewarding in terms of pay, opportunity, and general job satisfaction. The 2018 median annual salary for all geoscientists was $91,130, and studies consistently show geosciences as one of the top paying majors. In addition to that, employment for geoscientists is projected to grow by about 14% over the next decade. This is higher than average. The need for energy, environmental protection, responsible land and resource management, and also the retirement of baby boomers is projected to spur this demand. Okay, so a geoscientist can earn good pay, but where would you work? This slide shows a number of different firms and agencies that provide careers to geologists in the public and the private sectors. You can see there's a wide spectrum of opportunities here. In the private sector, many of our students go on to get jobs doing geological and geophysical consulting with private firms. There's environmental consulting firms, commercial laboratories, energy and mining companies, conservation organizations. All of these hire geoscientists. In the public sector, there are a huge number of jobs available uh, in areas like the U.S. Geological Survey, NOAA, the EPA, NASA, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, the Forest Service, the list goes on and on and on. So there are lots of opportunities. As you would expect, geologists do a lot of field work. After all, everywhere you go on this planet, there's geology. And as a geology major, you'll have many geology related field trips. These are always a highlight of the courses. We also use a lot of high tech equipment in the field and in the laboratory, and our faculty make an effort to teach students how to use the technology. In addition, many of our faculty provide opportunities for undergraduates to engage with important research, which often provides opportunities for travel as well. Also, besides travel for research, we provide study abroad opportunities, most recently in Curacao and Puerto Rico. And our capstone experience is a 6-week summer field camp program in Colorado and New Mexico, which most graduates feel was the highlight of their education. So, now that you're convinced that geology is not only important, valuable, marketable, and fun, what does it take to become a geologist? We offer a Bachelor of Science degree in geology, as well as a geology minor. As a major, you will also select an area of concentration related to coastal and marine studies, environmental studies, or just general geology. Let's take a look at what is required in order to receive your Bachelor of Science degree in geology. First off, you need 120 semester hours in order to graduate. 40 of those semester hours come from general education, and these include English, general chemistry, math, social sciences, humanities, fine arts, health, and kinesiology. Then we have 42 semester hours within the discipline, within geology, that are very specific courses: dynamic earth, earth and life through time, mineralogy, petrology, field methods, structural geology, sedimentology, stratigraphy, paleontology, and the capstone summer field course experience. You also require a concentration, as mentioned before, and you need 2 courses within a concentration. And then we have 15 semester hours of cognates, which are designed to address things like your quantitative skills and to get additional science training. And then you just simply need 100 additional electives to bring you up to 120 semester hours. This slide presents a general sample plan to get you out of here in 4 years with your 120 hours in your Bachelor of Science degree in geology. Now, there is flexibility within the schedule, but it should be noted that there is a specific course sequence within geology that needs to be adhered to. And so your advisors are very happy to help you figure all of this out. But generally speaking, this plan right here will get you there. So if you are interested in science and you like the idea of working outdoors, either on land or on the water, you should consider geology as your major. Check out the following geology websites on the internet for more information on careers in geology. Thanks, and we hope to see you soon.